New Jersey has issued a
Yo,
squall warning
this is
for
like
northeastern
snow squall warning.
Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern
There
Pennsylvania.
it goes again.
Western Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, south central Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania until 3:30 p.m. At 2:50
Right after I said
a
I
dangerous
hope they were
snowstorm
gonna
is
go
located
off
over Ancient Oaks,
again
7 miles
so I could catch
southwest of
it.
Allentown, moving
They
southeast
just
at
went
50
off.
miles per hour.
Dude, this is
Hazard
like
flash freeze on roads.
oh
Intense bursts of heavy snow and gusty winds leading to blowing
oh my gosh.
visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Source: radar and web.
Severe weather statement.
Dangerous and life-threatening travel conditions are expected to develop
This is
rapidly
like
in the
so
local
rare.
area. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 28 and 60.
I don't even know where to put my 12 to now it's on signal loss.
Markers 30 and 64. Locations impacted include Allentown, Lansdale, Emmaus, Quakertown, Percy, Souderton, Bedminster, Kutztown, Hamburg, Fleetwood, Tinicum, Hatfield, East Greenville, Dublin, Topton, Schwenksville, Valley, Bechtelsville, Green Lane, and Lyons. What roadways
Right after I just posted my first severe weather
roads,
statement.
bridges, and overpasses.
It just went off again.
Slow down and be prepared for a sudden loss of traction. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions. Consider avoiding or delaying travel until the snow squall passes your location. If you must travel, use extra
I
caution
want
to
a
allow extra time.
snowstorm. I want a
Rapid
winter
changes in visibility and
storm.
slick road conditions may lead to accidents. At 2 p.m. at Philadelphia International.